So, good day everyone. We're the group 5. So, today we're going to discuss the topic about the crafting genuine apologies that acknowledge the customer's feeling instead of using generic phrases. To start the discussion, let's move to why apologies matters. So, apologies matters because of the following. First is it builds trust. So, when a business takes time to listen and apologize sincerely, it shows the honesty. So the customers trust the business that are not afraid to admit their mistake. So when you're open and humble enough to say that you are wrong, so the customers are more likely to feel that they dealing with the real people. So next is keep customers loyal. So when people think that mistakes drive customers away, but actually is the way that the business responds. So when you handle a problem with care and respect, customers are more likely to appreciate it. They are more likely to return because they know that you will take care of them, even there's things go wrong. Next is turn bad experience into good ones. So sometimes when customers has a problem, it's a chance to show how strong your service is really is. So if your apology is sincere and you solve the issue well, the customers might actually leave interaction feeling even better about the brand of your business. So next is what makes an apology genuine. So first is acknowledge the problem. So when we acknowledge the problem, it will show to the customers that you understand exactly what went wrong. So it also provides that you paid attention and care about the specific situations. So next is the show empathy. So the empathy is means putting yourself in the customer's shoes. So this one can help to calm the situations and make the customers seen and understood. So next is take responsibility. So the customers respect the honesty. So when a company admits the faults, it show integrity. So even if the mistakes was not directly your fault. So next is offer a solution. So an apology without action can feel empty. So customers want you to know what you're going to do about. So by providing clear solutions, it proves that you're committed to the making things better. And lastly is follow up. So following up, it means checking back after the problem is fixed. So it's like saying that you still care about the customers even after the problem is over. So it's only show that you show respect and help to make sure the customers is truly satisfied.
So let's now look at some examples of empathetic and effective apology statements. The first example is I understand how frustrating this must be for you. So this shows empathy. It tells the customers you understand their emotions. So the next example is I'm sorry we didn't meet your expectation. So this example is accept the mistake without being defensive. We take full responsibility. So this avoids blaming others. It builds trust. Hear what well to do, make it right. Always end your apology with a plan of action. Customers appreciate solution, not just words. The power of real apology. A genuine apology has powerful effects not just on the customer but on your company's reputation. It builds strong relationships. Customers who feel understood are more likely to stay. It improves loyalty. Many people return simply because they are treated with respect. It reflects the values of your company. If your apology is sincere, it shows your company values honestly and care over excuses. So for example, imagine a hotel guest complains about a noisy room. Instead of just saying sorry about that, the staff apologizes sincerely, offers a quieter room and gives a free breakfast options, so that customers will likely post a positive review even though the experience started off negatively.